Hi everyone, my name is Gary and I'm here to give a quick little testimony about my friend Khin, and with me is Coco the Wonder Dog. Say hi, Coco. Hi. So, I am an online entrepreneur, and last year I decided to invest in myself to increase my marketing skills. So if 2020 has taught us anything, is that you cannot rely on a single source of income. No one saw COVID coming and its after effects. I mean, so many people lost their jobs, so many people, their businesses shut down. So the thing is, you have multiple bills. Why not have multiple streams of income? So how to increase your cash flow? That's by having a home-based business. So how do you start a home-based business if you don't know what to do or have no experience? That's where Khin comes in. She has incredible clarity and marketing skills, and she is just a wealth of information. So I enrolled in her master class that turned passion into profits, and I'm eternally grateful to Khin for everything that she's done for me. So she helped develop my positive mindset, my why, my vision, my mission. She helped develop my demographic. So who are you trying to reach? Are you trying to reach stay-at-home moms? Are you trying to reach shift workers? Are you trying to reach medical staff? Are you trying to reach construction workers? Are you trying to reach people in the energy sector or maybe in the financial sector? So who are you trying to reach? And then she helps create value. You want to give value to your people every day, something that useful information that they can use in their everyday lives. And she helps you overcome objections. So she is absolutely incredible. She breaks everything down into small, easy to digest, bite-sized bits. She makes it fun. She keeps it simple. So if you're looking to level up your game this year, talk to Khin. Seriously, she knows what she's talking about. You'll be eternally grateful that you did. So just remember, have fun. And the next 2 to 3 years will determine what your next 5 to 10 years will be. So talk to Khin. You'll be glad you did. Okay. Bye, everyone. Say bye-bye, Coco. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye.